What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys seen the video yesterday. We got that 2020 taken apart, man. I think it's down to the freaking, not the frame, but it's down to where we need it to be, man. We got all our parts right here, man. So we about to load these up in the truck, take these to Antonio, drop them off so we can get that 2020 looking like one of these custom daddies right here. I can't wait, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We also are heading to the rim shop. No, not the motorcycle rim shop, man, the car rim shop. I'm looking at some 4G autos for my i8, man. It is finally time. I've been having the car for a while. Usually I would have had this done, but man, this car is like literally so special to me. I gotta have the right wheels. I literally can't just throw anything on there, man. So I can't wait to get down there and check these things out. It looks so hard. I can't wait. Then I'm gonna throw my taste on them. So you guys already know them things gonna come out clean, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a white and burgundy Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You guys see we got our 2021 Road Glide special that's heading to North Carolina, and our 2014 Road King that's heading to Northern California, man. All they did was purchase a hat, and they won a Harley Davidson, man. So I can't wait to see the look on their faces when we pull up. But that's another day and another time, man. So if you guys haven't entered, go ahead and enter for this one, and you can be next. Meanwhile, let's get this truck loaded up and get up out of here, dog. Yo. What's up, man? How you doing? Lunchtime, huh? Yeah. I can check out the Camaro. Antonio, I didn't even see you over there, man. What's up? How you doing? Let's see. Let's check it out. You got here fast. Let's see it. Okay. We got this side smoothed out. We didn't get the top yet, but got the quarter panel smoothed out, looking cool. The doors and stuff is smooth over here. Okay, pretty good. It's gonna be smooth all down the side. I can't wait. Can't wait to see this color I got come together. This car should be ready in about 2 weeks or so, man. So can't wait to get this thing going. But y'all see it here first, man. This Camaro will be looking like something decent at least real soon. So let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Antonio getting busy. We about to drop him off the other motorcycle parts and stuff now. So about to get it going. This one looks good. This the one that was just black right here, right? Yeah. Yeah, it look good. Yeah, it looks real good. You did a good job on that one, man. Looks clean. Alrighty, guys, now that we got the motorcycle parts dropped off and got some room inside the truck, man, we can head over here to Ballers real quick, pick up our 4G autos that we got for our i8 and get it going, man. I can't wait to see how these things is looking. On picture they look good, but in person I'm sure they're gonna look even better, man. So we gonna see what's good, dog. In stock, dude. It look crazy in here.
Yes, sir.
Is this like the biggest 4G auto like dealer on the West Coast or what?
Dealer in the world.
In the world, damn. Yeah, it looked like it, man. They got them by the bundles in here. I can't wait. Oh, it's time to go up. I cannot wait. Ooh, they got 4Gs on everything. Got the 4Gs on the GLE looking nice. They got the Phantom over here about to get crazy. Everything looks sick. I got the new Phantom. Those wheels going on here? Yeah. See these wheels? It's about to go on the Phantom. Looking real clean and gusty like. Ooh, we're in the right place. Yeah, them things sit fat on there. Them things sit hard. Ooh, what is them, fuzz? Things look nice, man. Yes, sir, man. But we about to get it together up here at Ballers. About to get it going, dog. Yeah, that is it, huh? That is the one? Yeah. Yes, sir. Can't wait. These things look hard. Alrighty, man. Y'all got a glimpse of the wheels. We got the tires loaded up, strapped up, ready to go. Them is good. They shouldn't be going nowhere. And then we got a freaking back seat full of Fogies, man. Can't wait. Can't wait. Now, normally they would have mounted them up for us, but of course we got to throw our taste on them, man. So off to the customization shop we go. And guys, we finally made it back home. We got our 4G autos here. We got our tires there, and it's like, man, I can't get these on the car fast enough, y'all. I'm so excited. It's early in the morning. Like, man, we got to check these things out again, dog. And here we are. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm legit so excited, man. Y'all know me. Like, I put rims on everything. Like, every car, even the Camaro got rims. We waiting to paint these things up, so the Camaro already got rims, man. The i8 is so special to me, dog. I just couldn't put anything on them. This is like my first pair of, like, 4G autos, like, literally brand new, fit for my car. Not nothing, like, found secondhand. This is, like, a different feeling right here. So I can't wait to throw these on the car, man. Meanwhile, we are not keeping them like this. Definitely getting them powder coated and painted or whatever. So that's why they're not on the car already, or else they would have been on there yesterday. So we about to take these to the little paint shop, powder coater today. And then in the next couple of days, man, we should be seeing what this bad boy look like. I can't even wait. I'm excited, dog. Just look at the boxes. Just look at the boxes, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It's a different feeling when the boxes is like these at your crib, man. That's dope. I'm excited. Alrighty, guys, next day here, man. You guys see we got the truck loaded back up. It is time to head to the wheel shop to get these things powder coated, painted, bring that blue in that BMW out and bring it to life, man. I'm hoping this thing like literally sets this car off. Like, these wheels are just one of ones type, you know? That's the type of feeling I get, man. So I really can't wait to throw these things on there, have that thing change that whole look up, because the wheels I have on there now are stock and the tires are really bald. So it was either get some new tires or get some rims, which I've really been wanting. You know, just got a lot of other priorities. But it finally came time, so I can't wait, man. So we just pulled up to the rim shop. Y'all see what's going on.
I've got some 3-piece in here from Dick right now.
Oh, bet.
So, we'll take them all apart
Oh,
like
okay,
this.
bet. Had them down to the barrels and the lips and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Let's see. No, none of these are prepped yet. So, we'll sand them all down smooth again.
Right.
And then put them all back together and then reseal it around the outside edges. Now yours, we're not going to do anything to the lips.
Yeah, no, we're leaving the lips
so what
chrome.
we're going to do is take them, well, this is the proper way to do it. Sometimes people have us paint right on the wheel.
Right.
But the problem with that is if you never plan on doing anything again with it, no
Right.
problem.
Okay, yeah.
But once you powder coat these areas,
Right.
the powder bonds and become
Like the crevices, so you can't get those
you
bolts
can't
out.
ever get them out without
Right.
just seriously doing
Like just
damage
breaking
to
them.
it.
Yeah. Wow.
So we'll take it apart.
Yeah.
And then we'll just do the face and then rebuild it and then reseal it around the lips. Around the
Oh, okay, yeah.
Around
yeah.
here.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, I see, yeah. Cause you got the blue how you know how I want the blue, right? Yeah. So I can't wait, man.
although we wash them.
Man, that's a big old tank. How many gallons is this thing?
400 gallons.
400 gallons. Wow.
And then we prepped them all. And then, so these are all prepped wheels.
Prep ready to go. Got some CTSV wheels up in there.
Oh, you recognize those?
Oh man, I'm a car guy, man.
There's some Ferrari wheels.
Yeah, them things look nice. That black on there is really clean, actually.
Yeah, I mean, this is how all our blacks come out.
That's a really
want it
nice
to look
black.
like glass.
Yeah, it really looks good. I ain't gonna hold
no
you.
dimples.
Yeah, it looks really good, man. Really good. And this is like next day service, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got these Friday.
Oh, wow. Man, see, I wish I would have brought mine Friday. I would have probably been picking them up today, man.
Yeah, because we work all day Saturday.
Oh, okay, cool.
We have a body shop paint booth.
Oh, yeah. So I have the caps for mine. Am I able to get the ring around the cap the same color?
Yeah.
Okay, I got them in the car, too. I'll give them to you.
those to us.
Yeah.
Those, this is the CNC machine.
Oh, yeah. See, my buddy who makes my motorcycle wheels, he has like maybe like 10 of these machines in his fucking warehouse. That's all he does all day is make fucking wheels.
Motorcycle wheels.
Yeah, this thing is sick though, man.
But yeah,
Create
we can
some
do
magic.
up to 30-inch rims in here.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
30s is crazy.
It's hard doing bigger
It'll take
rims.
forever, huh?
Just lifting it up there and getting
fuck,
it
just get it in. Yeah, that's you gotta fucking extend your arms out.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's nuts, man.
I can't do.
This is a dope setup you got,
So
man.
powder coat booth,
Wow.
oven,
And how hot does this heat up to?
400 degrees.
Oh, okay,
It
cool.
actually goes up to 500, but
Damn.
for powder coating, we just need to run it at 400.
Right, and that pretty much baked in here all night, or what?
No, so
Just during the day while you working?
yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
okay, cool.
we usually powder coats have cure temperatures anywhere from 325 to 400 degrees.
Oh, okay, I see, yeah.
So it has to go in for 10 to 20 minutes depending on where the temp is.
Makes
the lower
sense.
the temp,
Okay,
the
bet.
longer it goes in.
Right.
So Saturdays are our day where we do
Okay.
odds and ends as well for some of our customers.
Right, so all the little stuff.
Yeah, so these were part of a roll change.
Oh yeah, it looks like what? So they're you did them like a flat black type of
Satin
thing?
black.
Oh, satin black. Okay, bet. Yeah, they look really good, man.
Someone else had some engine parts. Someone else had some trim parts.
Oh yeah, so you do all type of little stuff, you know,
I don't know what
if you
this
can
is.
get to it. You like, I don't know what it is, but it's powder coated now. It looks really good. What's up, guys? Couple days later here, man. We done already dropped the rims off at the powder coat shop. You guys seen that? And now it is just about time to pick those things up, man. So we got the tires back there, man. We're gonna go drop the tires off. By the time we get back, do some other stuff, switch out the cars, then things should be mounted up, and we should be ready to we should be able to take the i8 up there, get these stock wheels off, get the sensor switched out, and get them wheels put on, man. I can't wait to see what these things look like, man. I know you guys can't wait either. So, man, let's throw these things in the truck and get down there, man. Alrighty, man, got them things loaded up. Now we out of here. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to the rim shop. We got our tires here. We're gonna get these things offloaded here in a sec. I was so anxious to check them out, man. I'm like, let's see where we at. Okay, bet. So, yeah.
So we had oven issues yesterday.
Right.
At 1 o'clock, we didn't paint another single thing the rest of the day because
Oh, damn, the oven was messed up, yeah.
So we will paint them today. I know I said we would get them done
Right, yeah,
today,
no, I mean,
but
you know how stuff goes.
it's gonna have to be tomorrow.
All right. Oh, this where you make the colors and stuff?
Yeah. So
nice.
yesterday we started looking at what to paint. So
Right.
I couldn't quite reconcile your picture with what they're showing for your car.
Right, and I just picked the blue that they had on the app, so it may be a little different.
Okay, yours was a
2016.
16.
Yeah, it's the like the Protonic blue, like something like this one.
Okay, because the picture you sent, it seemed
It's
really
lighter.
light.
Yeah, it is really lighter. Yeah, it's more so like this type of blue here.
Okay. So go with this color.
Yeah, I was
actually going to text you and say, hey, you know, the colors don't seem
Right. Yeah. No, I was just on the app trying to get it done really fast, but yeah,
Okay.
it's definitely like the darker
on
blue.
your car. It's like more like
exactly.
this color.
Yeah.
Because this is like a
Alrighty, guys, next morning here, man, we was trying to get the rims for y'all done yesterday, get them on the car and show y'all, but it's just not working as fast as I wanted to, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys got a chance to see the new wheels. I've been having them for a few days, man. But like I said, I wanted to give you guys the full picture all in one video. It's just not going to happen that way, man. So you guys got the idea. You guys see the wheels. I can't wait. I'm super excited about them, man. I can't wait to see what they're going to look like on the car, man. So let me know your thoughts about them in the comments below. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered to win my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got our paint set for the 2020 in the paint shop right now. As soon as that one comes out, our 2014 Road King paint set will be going in. Both of the rims will be getting picked up this weekend. So literally, I can't wait. These bikes are going to be done super fast when we get all the parts and stuff back and completed, man. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Be sure to tune in tomorrow because we're going to be throwing them 40s on the beam, dog. So I'll catch you then.